You need a couple.
Oh, hey lovelies! It's your Swan creator bringing to you a brand new video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thanks so much for giving my video a try. I hope you stick around and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and click that little bell so you'll always be notified when a new video comes out. Hey! So, guys, apparently I've been procrastinating for a while because even though I knew Inktober is coming, for some reason I thought I still had time, but October 1st is Monday. Yeah, it's Monday. Not even. It's Monday. No, wait, it's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. And I am prepared for Inktober because I know what I'm doing. I'm doing Sonia's and Vet V. I think I mentioned this in Moonlight's video, but I'm doing Sonia's and Vet V prompt list, which is for which university, and of course I'm going to be drawing my girl Moonlight. And yeah, this is a fun way for me to discover her more because there's so much things more to learn about Moonlight. Yeah, we just know she's awesome, but I don't fully know the road to her becoming awesome. So Sonia and Vet V came up with this map of the place of where the witches university will be, and it has a lot of inspiration about what you could do. There's something called a gloomy mountain. What can I do in the gloomy mountains? Does Glooms live there? Pokemon reference. Does Eeyore live there? Childhood reference. And yeah, so this is a really fun thing, but the not fun thing that I decided to do is to do this digitally. Yes, you've heard me right, lovelies. I'm going to do digitally. That's why I have my little X-Pen gloopy gloop 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 gloopy gloop 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 and my X-Pen pen. That should be my thumbnail. Okay. And this is like putting a little pressure on me, but also I did the impossible last year when I did Mermaid doing watercolors, even though I wasn't that great with watercolors yet. But because of that, I got better, and right now watercolor is my second favorite medium behind gouache. I love gouache so much. I will never stop saying that. And I just want to get better at digital because the last full digital piece I've ever done was when I first got my XP pen tablet. You know, this beautiful, lovely tablet. I drew Moonlight, of course, and it came as a surprise because I was just going to have like fun around, and Moonlight just wanted to come out, and she came out, and it was super fun. But then I never really went back into it because every time I tried, it wasn't coming out, and I just wasn't pushing past the ugly stage, so I was just quit. So that was like in December or January around there. So and now it's September, and I'm going to do digital. So to warm myself up, I'm going to design a crest for the school because Vet V and Sonia didn't come up with one. They didn't want to like restrain it because one of the prompts, because I got a notebook. Let's see, Inktober. Right, so for each prompt, don't get too close so you can read. Each prompt I wrote out like things that could pertain to what I could draw. So yeah, here I am. This is where my planning, so I have an idea of what to draw for Moonlight, but one of the prompts is a school uniform, and I want to have, because in Trinidad we all had to wear school uniforms. You know, the school uniforms, those things that horrid. I have a unique body shape, and they made my body look ridiculous. So I want to design a very cute but functional school uniform, and I want to have the crest on it, because all school uniforms has the crest on it somewhere in the pocket on the uniform itself, and I want to have a crest. So let's get into it, because you guys heard me talk enough. Yeah.
Look at her looking all happy. Look at her looking all excited, thinking that it's going to take her a few hours. Look at her, look at her, look at her. Oh my gosh, look at her. She doesn't even know that a crest is basically a logo, and logos take time. Oh my gosh. I wish I could go back to this sweet innocent time thinking that. Yeah. Hey, it's voiceover Swan here if you haven't figured that out yet. And what Swan didn't know was that crests are like a logo, and I came up with these ideas, but these sketches are weird and derpy. But let me tell you how I came up with this idea. So I was looking up like animals to represent houses, and this post came up, and I was like, okay, it's a sign, this is what I gotta do. So I decided to go with a woodpecker, a bear, a wolf, and a deer. Yeah, and then I created a board for it. Duh, because Pinterest is like one of the best inventions ever made. Come on, people. And with this board, I created the shape of the crest. So this was the first one I came up with. It's alright, but I could do better. And then I said I didn't want to like cover the animals at the bottom part, so I did it on top and added leaves. And then I did this one, which I love so much, where the composition is just perfect. And then I kind of went crazy. I made the leaves big, and then I was like, yeah, no, that wasn't working. And then I decided to stick with this one. Perfect, best balance. And when I decided what I was doing, I put in all the animals, and this is it. So let me get my notes here. Look at my notes. So this is from like Native Americans totem poles. So the woodpecker means driven, persistent, and headstrong. The bear means truly passionate and loyal to a fault. Wolf means fiercely independent and courageous by heart. And the deer means slightly introverted and likes keeping to themselves. So the Native Americans, they got their stuff together. So with this, I also decided to come up with the colors. More notes. The red is for woodpecker, because the woodpecker have that cool red head. The orange is for bear. I was going to do brown, but with all the other colors together, it didn't really, harmonize. So I chose orange for the bear. Green is for the deer, and blue for the wolf, because blue moon, wolf, and green because deers live in the forest. So that's basically why I chose those colors, but together they actually look good. At the end you guys will see it, but the tones together, yeah, and I need to find like a better tone. I don't know how to harmonize it, but I'm rambling. So you guys, this was actually kind of fun. It put together my graphic design skills and my artistry skills, and I just really like how this came out. And here I am just doing I'm doing the line work. As you guys can see, my line work are shaky. It's shaky as heck, people. I need to work on that so it'll be smooth sailing. And I don't have much to say right now, but I'll catch you guys later on in the video. was the part of the illustration where I thought I was finished. Oh my gosh, look at me feeling so myself. Oh, and then I realized that I can do better. So much better. Okay, lovely. So here's the final result. I have the colored version, a black and white version, and if I need it, I even have just a line version. And this final result is the best one, I believe, because that's why I stuck with it. And I'm not totally happy with the balance of the animals on the crest, but right now, in my frustration with this crest, I was like, finished, not perfect, and this is as close as perfection as I could get. And either, who wants to be perfect? Perfect's not great. So I would like to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you're excited to see what I create, because I have no idea what I'm creating for Inktober. And I'll see you guys in the next video. But first, I would like to thank my patrons, especially Kaale Finlow, YK, and Princess Auntie. Seriously, that's such a fun name to say. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.